Hey guys, it's Dolly with Great Lakes Honda West. I'm the first ever Platinum salesperson to get the honor to take advantage of the Platinum Performers trip from Great Lakes Honda West. Come with me while I take you guys to Vegas for 72 hours. Yeah!
Collectively, these owned 625,000 Hondas last year.
Let's go.
So I appreciate you being the best of the best in the nation. So thank you for all that you do. Continue to kick butt, and I salute you. Thank you.
I have to be honest with you guys. I just got Platinum on behalf of our company. It was an extraordinary experience. But to come home or to our hotel in this bedroom with this view, you gotta love Honda.